Here, Randy.
I think it's worth more than you think it is.
Well, good. Now she wants you to pay more.
He's having too much fun.
They already paid for my lawn service. I think he...
It's going to be like a huge explosion, and we're not going to be expecting it.
Oh, fine.
It just won't go. I made a firebomb one day. Singed the back of my leg. Paper.
Are you stopping that and starting it, Randy?
No!
Stop. No, I got it finished. Move.
Your paper don't stay like.
Cindy, move. Get out of
I
here.
want to do it.
Get out. Move the cat.
The cat. Do that then. Use paper.
Watch it, watch it.
That's so
That's
going on
quick,
YouTube.
ain't it? Holy shit.
Yeah, I did.
Let me see you. Honey.
I know, I burned myself.
Yeah.
Did you stop it?
No.
Give it to me.